Today, I'll be teaching you the 5th class of winter. The first line is yo ta yo ta yo ta ta yo ta yo ta yo ta. And in yo, you hit with your right hand, and ta, it's when you hit on the rim. Now, let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Seven, eight. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is the same as the first line, but the ending beat, it ends with Santa. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to learn them twice using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 5th class of winter. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.